Let's dive into the first two chapters of the AIM that covers navigation, lighting, and visual aids. These are crucial for navigating the skies and airports with confidence. Here's a high-level overview of what you need to know. In air navigation, we have a couple of different sections that we can go through. I'm not going to go through and read all of these. What I do want to do is make you aware of what is contained within them and then encourage you to do the reading yourself. So in air navigation, we have navigational aids, things like NDBs, VORs, receiver checks, what a TACAN is, Vortex, DME, nav-aid service volumes. It's kind of interesting. Instrument landing systems or ILSs, simplified directional facilities, nav-aids, nav-aids with voice, LORAN, all of that stuff. Doppler radar, GPS system. There's a whole thing on GPS. It's fascinating. And then the WAS, the wide area augmentation system that, couples with the GPS, GBAS, which is the ground-based augmented system, and GLS, precision approach, and so on and so forth. Section 2 talks about performance-based navigation and so like our navigation and whatnot. Also recognizing and mitigating and adapting to GPS interference by jamming or spoofing. It's kind of interesting. One thing I do want to just point out in here, just because I think it's kind of interesting, is the nav-aid service volume. Is you can come in here and you just see, oh man, okay, there's like 3 different VORs. There's a terminal, a low, a high, and then some all kinds of different information. Now there's the newer ones, which is a low volume and a high volume, and then the DME, distance measuring equipment volumes, and how wide it is, how far it goes, how high it goes, and all of that stuff. Now that's not to say, like, if you're let's say 140 miles out at above 18,000, let's say you're at 20,000 feet and you're 140 miles out, that you won't pick this station up. It just means that the FAA says you will be able to receive this information guaranteed inside this cone, and in reality it probably goes out like this. And so on a gradient scale, you may be able to, the higher out you are, the farther away that you'll be able to pick up that information. But all in all, the AIM is chock full of information. I'm not going to read every single line, single thing for you. I would encourage you to at least be familiar with what is contained within the first couple of chapters so that you can be the best pilot you can be. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of helicopters, check out the free Getting Started helicopter course in the description below. And as always, please feel free to like and subscribe.